Have you ever wondered what happens to old smartphones, broken laptops, and outdated computers after they are thrown away? Most people think electronic waste is nothing more than useless junk, but hidden inside these devices are valuable materials worth millions of dollars. In fact, some recycling factories recover tiny amounts of gold, silver, copper, and other precious metals from electronic waste every single day. What looks like trash could actually be a small treasure waiting to be discovered. Today, we're going inside a massive e-waste recycling factory to uncover the incredible process of turning electronic waste into valuable materials. The journey begins at electronic waste collection centers. Every day, thousands of old phones, computers, tablets, televisions, and electronic devices arrive from homes, businesses, and recycling programs. Mountains of discarded electronics quickly fill warehouses as workers prepare them for processing. Before recycling begins, each item is carefully inspected and sorted. Some devices may still be repaired or refurbished for reuse. Others are completely broken and move forward into the recycling process. Batteries, hazardous components, and sensitive materials are removed first to ensure safety. Once sorted, the electronic devices are transported to industrial shredding systems. Massive machines tear apart computers, smartphones, and other electronics into smaller pieces. Within seconds, entire devices are transformed into mixed fragments containing plastic, glass, steel, copper, aluminum, and precious metals. After shredding, the separation process begins. Powerful magnets remove steel components from the mixture. Advanced sorting systems use airflow, vibration, and optical sensors to separate different materials. Plastic is collected separately, while valuable metals continue through the recovery process. One of the most important materials recovered from electronic waste is copper. Circuit boards, wiring, and electronic components contain significant amounts of copper that can be reused in manufacturing. Specialized systems separate and collect copper for further processing. But the most fascinating stage involves the recovery of precious metals. Many electronic circuit boards contain tiny amounts of gold, silver, palladium, and other valuable materials. While the quantities may seem small, millions of discarded devices processed together can produce significant amounts of precious metals. Inside advanced recycling facilities, sophisticated recovery methods are used to extract these valuable materials. Workers and automated systems carefully process electronic components to maximize material recovery. Every stage is designed to reduce waste and recover as many resources as possible. Once recovered, the metals are purified and prepared for reuse. Copper may be melted into new industrial products. Aluminum can be recycled into new components. Precious metals may be refined and returned to manufacturing industries, where they are used again in electronics, medical equipment, aerospace technology, and other high-value applications. The environmental benefits of e-waste recycling are enormous. Electronic waste is one of the fastest-growing waste streams in the world. If improperly disposed of, electronic devices can release harmful substances into the environment. Recycling helps reduce pollution, conserve natural resources, and decrease the need for new mining operations. Modern e-waste recycling facilities operate on a massive scale. Some plants process thousands of tons of electronic waste every year using advanced machinery and highly automated systems. From giant shredders to sophisticated sorting technologies, every step helps transform waste into valuable materials. What makes e-waste recycling so remarkable is that it turns everyday discarded electronics into a source of valuable materials. The smartphone sitting in a drawer, the old laptop collecting dust, or the broken computer headed for disposal may still contain resources that can be used again. The next time you replace an old electronic device, remember that it is more than just waste. Hidden inside are valuable materials waiting to begin a new journey through one of the most fascinating recycling processes in modern industry. And that is how electronic waste is transformed into valuable metals inside a massive e-waste recycling factory.